In this section, we're going to talk about the biggest difference in light, harsh versus soft light. Harsh light comes from small modifiers, and soft light comes from large modifiers. So, first shot we're going to do is with just a bare head, no modifier attached, and we're going to see what that harsh light looks like. All right, perfect. And so now we're gonna go and switch the heads. We're gonna turn off the harsh modifier, and we're gonna turn on the soft modifier. Perfect. So your biggest determining factors for harsh versus soft is just the modification size. So with a smaller light source, you're gonna have a much harder shadow lines. Light fall is going to be much more drastic. With a larger modifier, you're going to have much softer transitions from highlights to shadows. The shadow lines are going to be much softer. And pretty much the bigger the light source, bigger the modifier, the softer the light's going to be. Smaller the light source, and the harsher the light's going to be.